Why is ketchup used everywhere, from fries to eggs to noodles? Why is it always there on every restaurant table, waiting? And how did a red sauce become a multi-billion-dollar global favorite? Ketchup might seem like a basic condiment, but its story is anything but simple. From ancient fermented fish sauces to today's sweet tomato blends, ketchup has traveled centuries to land on your plate. In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating history of ketchup, explore how companies like Heinz make it, reveal why it's so addictive, and look into health concerns and alternatives. Let's squeeze the truth out of that bottle. Ketchup didn't start with tomatoes. The first version, called ketchup, was a fermented fish sauce from 17th century China. Sailors brought it to Europe, where it evolved into mushroom or walnut ketchup in Britain. Tomato ketchup only became popular in 19th century America. Then came Heinz in 1876, creating a sweet, thick, and safe version that changed everything. What began as a sharp, savory sauce is now the sugary staple we know today. This was the beginning of the ketchup in proper pipelined commercial industry. Why ketchup is everywhere, ketchup is global. Americans love it on burgers. Filipinos enjoy banana ketchup. Brits use it with chips, and Canadians put it on mac and cheese. What makes it so universal? It's the balance between sweet, salty, sour. It's reliable and child-friendly. Around $15 billion worth of ketchup is sold yearly. Heinz leads the market, but cultures everywhere have adapted it to their own tastes. It's not just food, it's a flavor anchor. How factories makes ketchup. Ketchup starts with special tomatoes, thicker and richer than the kind we eat raw. They're harvested at peak ripeness, then cooked into paste. At the factory, the paste is blended with vinegar, sugar, salt, and secret spices. Machines ensure consistent taste, color, and thickness. The sauce is sterilized and bottled at high speeds. Heinz produces millions of bottles each week. No preservatives are added, just science, heat, and perfect timing. Why ketchup feels addictive? Ketchup hits all 5 taste senses: sweet, salty, sour, umami, and even a hint of bitter. That balance creates what scientists call flavor harmony. Sugar activates the brain's reward center, and the creamy texture is comforting. It's tanks through greasy food, making it the perfect match for fries and burgers. And because every bottle tastes the same, our brains find security in the consistency. It's food psychology at work. Mostly younger generation are more addicted compared to older people. Health perspective. A sweet problem. A tablespoon of ketchup has about 4 grams of sugar. Use a little too much, and it adds up fast. Some brands also use high fructose corn syrup. While ketchup does contain lycopene, a helpful antioxidant, its sugar and sodium content raise concerns. It's fine in moderation, but daily use, that's questionable. Luckily, low sugar and organic versions now exist. Just remember to check the label before drowning your meal in red and tasty alternatives. If you're looking to cut sugar or try something new, there are great ketchup alternatives. Mustard is low in sugar and calories. Salsa adds a fresh veggie kick. Pesto or chutney offers bold flavor with fewer additives. You can even make homemade ketchup with tomatoes, vinegar, and natural sweeteners. There's also beetroot and carrot ketchup for those seeking variety. These options give you flavor without the sugar trap. Ketchup may seem ordinary, but its story is anything but. From fermented fish sauce to factory precision, it's a global symbol of taste, trade, and transformation. Now that you know the truth behind that red bottle, you might think twice before the next squeeze. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more tasty truths. And share it with your friends and family who loves ketchup. The world of food is deeper than we imagine, and we're just getting started.